Welcome back, everyone. We're here at Market Open again, and we have a huge push-up higher after going lower. Um, Today is basically a no news day. We have FOMC meeting minutes. This isn't the real FOMC, I'm pretty sure. That's later. That's not right now. So I'll see what price wants to do, but I probably won't trade today, honestly, unless I see something really good. Through my seeing my journaling, I usually lose on Wednesday, so I'll be very careful today. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. Why does it say 920? Okay, there we go. I guess it wasn't updated. So yeah, we're here at Market Open. We're pushing up higher. This is pretty good. And I'm not looking for anything specific. I'm just taking this slow and steady. I was thinking of sizing down just to get 150 days, but why would I do that? You know, if I'd rather just like, what I'm trying to say is I don't want to, never mind, I won't say that, but I don't want to change anything right now, you know? And to be honest, I'm pretty dumb. I don't know how to go in micros. Do you have to change that in settings or something? I don't know. I don't know. I need help on that. I don't know. I feel like that's super basic, but I don't know how. Okay. 932. What did we sweep? We did sweep it when I was drawing liquidity. We're going higher right now. I wouldn't target see this wick. I would say I want it to sweep all the way up here, or this, in order to validate anything. Or see right here. That's fine. If we go lower, we sweep this, we retrace, we displace. We have no reason to think we'll stop anywhere here. I prefer to sweep one of these. Yeah. It looks like we are. I mean, if we retrace here and displace higher, I could take it, but I don't think I want to. I prefer to sweep one of these and then I'll make my bias or my assumption. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad opening. Once again, I'm not looking for anything today. So this video might end soon. Maybe. Even if we retrace here and displace higher, I don't think I will take this. Even though it has strong bullish, like showing bullish signs. Let's see what it does. Sorry, I'm not tired. I'm just yawning. I don't know why. Okay, it looks like we're just retracing. I mean, we're displacing lower. So, because of that, I want to see it sweep this low again. And then I don't see a reason for us to stop if we want to continue lower. Dang. What happened? Nothing happened. Apparently in the news it says S&P and Nasdaq rising countdown to Nvidia results. I guess that's what we're waiting for, or that's what came out. Maybe they're bad. Alright, what I just did was I just realized this 1 hour drawn liquidity is still here, so that did not count. So this still counts 1 hour drawn liquidity. We could see this as we came down to generate more liquidity. We swept this lower time frame drawn liquidity to go higher. And if we disrespect this and continue lower, that's a good indicator that take a short, you know? So all matters about here. We could easily reverse here. And if we don't, I want to see a retracement plus displacement below these lows. I don't really like these types of lows though, with long wicks. They're sketchy. We're reversing. Oh, it looks like we're reversing. Okay, so my idea still stands. We swept this 1 hour drawn liquidity, came back down lower, generate more liquidity to go higher. Or not. Okay, never mind. This honestly would be a good entry here, but I am just, I'm not gonna lie, a little scared. I don't know why. I don't like these long wicks. I don't remember backtesting them too much, so we'll see. This could be still displacement higher, retracement, and the displacement higher. I don't know though, because we have huge displacement lower. Dang, we just tapped it and now we're going higher. Okay, very sketchy. Oh, maybe not. I could take this near candle closure. Strong displacement. I have no reason to think we're going to retrace. We just have to close very strong. And it doesn't look like we are. I could also see this as we generated even more liquidity because we came down, we tapped, and then we're going higher. But now I need to see displacement above here, plus retracement and displacement higher. I'll probably tell you the rest of this gap. What I don't want to see here is this. Exactly this. did not want to see it push lower. Again. Waypoint still stands. We have to sweep above this high, retrace, and then displace higher. Man, if we fill this gap already, I don't think I'll be taking any trades, honestly. It looks like we're already filling it. Yeah, we filled it. Unless we sweep one of these, and that's my last hope, because from here, it's literally... Can I use a measuring tool? 230 points, basically, that I have to wait for, you know? So let's sweep one of these, and then I'll be able to take something. This doesn't count anymore, we already filled the gap. So even if we retrace here and displace higher, I wouldn't trust it. Because once we fill the gap, we usually displace lower like this. I noticed this with like big gaps. When we have big gaps like that, when we fill it, we usually reverse. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm usually wrong about everything I say out loud to you guys. Maybe I'm right. Yeah, we swept this one hydro liquidity. Looks like we're respecting it. Even CE this wick, basically. We're going higher. We displaced higher. We retrace, generate more liquidity. I honestly could have taken it above here, an entry. I remember this setup a lot, a long time ago. Back in like November, December. Yeah, this was pretty obvious, honestly. We went higher, we went lower, generating more, even more liquidity. We went crazy above that high. We filled the rest of this gap. Yeah, this was my trade if I would have took a trade, take a trade. I just didn't see it at the time. Crazy. What are we doing here? This is why I'm sketchy of Wednesdays, because of this exact thing. We usually, like, I don't know, we act weird. We act weird at Trials and Liquidity. Okay, well, this worked out. So there's the two trades I would have took. Let's see if I could get a third, and I can actually enter. Doesn't look like a bad day, honestly. But this is way better than I think any of the trades I would have taken beforehand. So let's see what it does here. We truly are bullish. We'll remain bullish. This is just a retracement. If we are bearish, I want to see a push lower now. Strong displacement. That might be what we're seeing here. If we displace above this high, near candle closure, I'll take this. What is that picture? We're good on time, honestly. Huge move up, huge move lower. Interesting. No retracement, I guess. Again, no retracement. I think I'm taking anything today. These were kind of. This one was obvious, I think. I think that was my biggest problem today. I didn't see the tribute. Kind of sucks. I think I was just too cautious of Wednesday being Wednesdays. I didn't trust Wednesday. Nicholas swept. He came up, displaced higher, which this isn't really displacement, but we retraced, generating more liquidity. We swept, and then we remained higher. It could have entered here or here. Doesn't matter. Stops below the displacement candle. I'll wait for 10, and then I'll see if I'm done. Yeah, honestly, not bad here either. After sweeping that 1 hour trend liquidity, we remain going higher. We retrace, but we filled the gap already, so that was the question of why wouldn't I have taken that. Right here, we retrace, and now we're displacing lower. I was thinking of taking it if we displace below this low significantly. Huge push up, huge move down. Okay,
Order filled.
30 points only. Targeting this low. I'm only in because of the pattern we are in right now. I might display my candle, my stop loss above the candle, and let's see what happens. Whatever happens, happens. I'll take this learning opportunity.
Order filled.
That was the stupidest trade I've ever taken. Easily. What am I doing, dude? Why am I risking on days I know I'm gonna lose? I already said I was, didn't I? Bro. I already said I was gonna lose, didn't I literally, I swore I said it. I swear I said it. Don't tell me we're gonna go lower, dude. This literally always happens. What am I doing risking on days I know aren't high probable? I should have walked away right now.